Yo, what's going on? This video I just want to talk about in a very important decision that you can make and that I have to make throughout this winter break. So, as we all know, I don't know if we all know this, but OG Fortnite came back. The OG Fortnite came back. I don't know how long it's here. I don't know, but winter break is about to start, or it's already started for you. And there's a choice that I can make. I can either play Fortnite all day long because I don't have school, and I can not care about anything else in my life and just play Fortnite all day and relive my childhood, or I can care about changing my future and practicing, studying, day trading the whole day instead. What do you want to do? Do you want to relive your childhood, or do you want to make a future better for yourself? Build out the dreams you want for yourself. It's up to you. It's your decision. And you can do a little bit of both. And you cannot be great at either. And I would be lying if I say I'm not going to try out the OG Fortnite a little bit. Like, I'm not going to play a little bit. But that's after I get all my stuff done that I need to. Going to the gym, posting TikToks, reading, meditating, 2 hours of back testing each day. Everything that I need to get done. I'm not going to have time to play Fortnite. I'm not going to have time. And I know by making that decision, oh yeah, I might not have that much fun. I might not have as much fun as I would if I was playing OG Fortnite and reliving my childhood. But instead, I'm going to build out my future. I'm going to build out the dreams that I've always wanted, that I've wanted deep in my soul. I get to play with that nice Lambo. I get to play around with my money. I get to be healthy. I get to buy healthy food. I get to live in that beautiful house that I've always wanted to. And I get to build out a beautiful fucking family and support my children and also support my parents. I can either, it's a decision that you can make. And it's up to you. As long as you know what the two outcomes are going to be, it's up to you. If you know that you want to make the decision to relive your childhood and just be mediocre in life, go ahead. That's your decision. I'm not telling you to do any different. I'm just telling you what I'm going to do. And what I want in my life. So, this is just a big decision that I have to make for myself, and I'm already set on my decision. But it's out there for all of you. When there's no school to focus on, you can either fuck off and try and have as much fun fucking around as possible, or you can lock in and become the best version of you possibly can be. That decision is up to you. But I already know the decision that I made. So, thank you for watching. Look yourself in the mirror and think about what you really want with your life. I'm not going to tell you to do anything. You have to think about it for yourself. But thank you for watching. Grind this winter break out. You have time. And live out your fucking dreams. It's all possible. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.